In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Typeform survey. Whether you're gathering feedback, collecting data for research, or just looking to engage with your audience, Typeform provides an easy and visually appealing way to craft your surveys. Let's dive into the steps to get your survey up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in or create an account if you're new to the platform. Typeform is known for its user-friendly interface. So once you're logged in, you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Create Form. This button is your gateway to starting a new project. It's easy to spot and clearly labeled, ensuring you won't miss it. Clicking this will open up a variety of options for different types of forms you might want to create. Next, you'll be introduced to Typeform AI, which is a fantastic tool that helps streamline the form creation process. Here in the search bar, type survey form. This is a crucial step because it tells Typeform AI exactly what you're looking to create. Once you've typed that in, click on the right arrow to proceed. This action prompts Typeform AI to generate a basic survey template for you, saving you time and giving you a solid foundation to build upon. After the AI has done its magic, you'll want to review the template presented to you. It's customizable, so feel free to adjust the questions or format to better suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your survey, click on Create Form. This finalizes your survey and prepares it for distribution. Now, your Typeform survey is ready to be shared with your audience. You can distribute it through various channels, including email, social media, or embedding it directly onto your website. Typeform also offers analytics tools, which will allow you to track responses and analyze the data collected from your survey. And there you have it, a complete Typeform survey ready to gather the insights you need. This quick guide has shown you how simple it is to create a survey using Typeform, harnessing the power of Typeform AI to make the process even more efficient. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.